He's got a vision to notify me. There's targets right there, and the gun's under the target.
Is that it?
Alright, I gotta raise up a gun dog.
Sir, what is that?
Hey,
black thing
Thurman,
right
you can
there?
go ahead and attempt it too. It's underneath the target, inside his door pocket. We have his firearm. That's it. Backstrap.
Thank you, Issa.
Lisa, good job.
They're not gonna be great there.
Gun with the officer of the month.
3-1. Yeah, we got a firearm recovery. You got gloves, brother?
Do I? Yep.
Thanks, bro.
They're extra large, real fast.
1710.
Dude, I was going to,
I was like, that's a target, so somebody just went practicing.
I didn't even look. I saw his concealed carry card. Or the firearm. It's the yellow one.
Yeah.
I saw it when he emptied his license.
Yeah.
You mind breaking that side down?
Yeah.
I see the radio.
I don't have any extra gloves.
31, when you find out the code coming, you let me know.
I'm sorry, I just gave you the information. Always someone is coming. And the last four is 0115 1711.
That's why I said don't shut the door.
7021 on your channel from the station.
Once I saw the target.
Oh, this isn't a target. It's the mat.
Oh, it's
That's why I was like, I didn't think it was.
7021 clear.
target.
It's cool.